In this video, I'm going to be talking about 6 things that small creators do that can get their account banned. You know, as a content creator, I understand the frustration of wanting to get subscribers, wanting to grow, wanting to monetize your channel, and it feels that you're stagnant or the growth is not coming as fast as it should. Now, these 6 mistakes that small creators do, you need to avoid them, because if you continue doing them, it can get your channel banned and all your hard work gone, all your videos you've uploaded, all your work, everything gone. So if you're serious about growing your channel on YouTube, you need to avoid making these 6 mistakes. First one on my list is, you may have seen small creators gather in big creators comment section asking other small creators to subscribe to their channel. Now, there is nothing wrong with you wanting people to subscribe to your channel if that is what you want to do. But if you want to do that, you have to do it smartly. Okay? Now, take a look at these charts. This is a group where small creators gather and they ask other people to subscribe to them. Now, in one of these creators said that YouTube removed over 100 subscribers from his channel after doing sub for sub. And another creator also said that people are subscribing to his channel, but his subscriber count is not growing. So if these creators don't stop doing sub for sub, that very moment that they've noticed these things on their channel, it can get their channel banned. Now, the second one I want to talk about is hashtags. Do not overuse hashtags in your video. Just take a look at this, what I'm showing you on the screen. Don't overuse hashtags. Please, you don't want to learn the hard way. Do you know that too much of hashtag can slow down the reach of your content? Not just on YouTube, in other social media platforms. As a monetized content creator on X, I can confidently tell you this, that too much of hashtag can slow down the reach of your content. So don't overuse hashtags, okay? Please, you don't want to learn the hard way. This is an advice and also a warning. The number of hashtags for you to use is from 3 to 6, maximum of 6. And when you're putting your hashtags, make sure that those hashtags are related to what your video is about. The third thing I want to talk about is for you to be careful with the promotions you accept. Now, you may be wondering, as a small creator, who will give you promotion, who will give you gigs. I got a gig a few days ago, and you know, when I asked them the requirements, they said I was going to make them an administrator of my channel, and when they run their ad on my channel, they're going to pay me $60 every single day they run this ad. And you know, it is mouth-watering, right? Anybody might want to give it a try, but how would you know if this person is a scammer or not? Because you don't know them, and once you give them access to your channel, they can do anything with that channel, and your channel will get deleted, and you won't even know what you did to get your channel deleted. So the best thing is for you to just stay away from any promotion, any gig that you don't trust. Stay away from it, because they can do one thing to go against YouTube policy or guidelines, and you will get your channel deleted. So the fourth thing I want to talk about is reuse content. Now, YouTube is against reusing content. Now, not just other people's content. YouTube is against you reusing even your own content. So if you have uploaded a video, what you should do is, maybe I advise that you delete it from your channel. As I'm telling you now, I'm also telling myself, you delete it from your camera. Do you understand? Because this reuse, do you know that there are some things that you will do on this YouTube streets? You will be doing them, YouTube will not answer you. It is when you finally monetize that channel, that's when they will now play the record for you. So once you upload your video, delete them immediately. If you want to repurpose your video, like, I don't even advise repurposing videos, okay? You can always shoot, if you want to upload short, or you want to upload your long form content, you can always shoot your videos. If your channel is into reaction, if you're a reaction channel, always do your own research. Go to channels that are into reactions and see how they do it. Make your own research. as a small creator and even as a big creator, don't stop doing research. The next thing I want to talk about is your actual safety as a content creator. You know, as a content creator, you're basically putting yourself out there for a whole lot of people. A whole lot of people will get access to you. Some of them are good people and some of them are not good people. And if you're not careful, you might be attracting problems into your channel. This is where small channels make mistakes. Now, the first thing you need to consider while protecting your YouTube account is don't use the email address, the email account that is tied to your YouTube channel as the one in your description. Do you understand? You need to create a new email address altogether for people to contact you with, so people don't get access or know the email address that is tied to your YouTube account. Because if people get access to your YouTube, the email address that is tied to your YouTube channel, scammers can get a hold of it and they can do anything to that account to violate YouTube policy, and your channel might get banned, deleted, or you can get a copyright strike. And the sixth and the final thing I want to talk about is what I spoke about in number 3, which is clicking on links. Clicking on links you don't trust. Now, as you grow as a small content creator, you will start getting loads and loads of email of people that may want to collaborate with you. Now, it is very important for you to be careful with the links that you click, because these scammers, they always seem real. They will send you like a fake logo, YouTube logo, send you products, send you documents that seems real, and send you a link to click. And if you click that link, your entire channel might be wiped off or might be taken over, and your channel will be gone. All your hard work will just go down the drain. Now, how to spot a scammer or a fake promotion or a fake gig is, if you found out that their offers are too real to be true, like the one I told you, someone is asking me to do a promotion for them and they're going to pay me $60 every day. I mean, how big is my channel for me to be getting such kind of gig? So that is one way for you to know if you want to build a YouTube channel that will last for the longest. You need to try your best to put in all these things I've said into consideration and do everything possible to protect your YouTube channel from being banned, suspended, or your channel being deleted. And if you got value from this video, do well to subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop me your comments, and also share it so other people can get this information. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you again in my next one.